mayebheka la kasebenza khona uyabona ukuthi since kwaphithizela uBolt noUber ngala engisebenzela ngakhona umsebenzi usumncane so into yokuqala akazoyilwisa uBolt yabona ukuze kwazi yena ukuthi enze le mali kodwa mawusuyibhekisisa futhi angicabanga ukuthi iBolt ihlukumeza kakhulu umshayeli ukuthi ahluleke ukwenza imali abantu baningi.
Hello and welcome back to The Threshold. My name is Mraro and we're going to continue the discussions that are uplifting. We're going to be talking about discussions that are eye-opening, and we're also going to try and educate you in one way or the other. This is just me trying to find my way through this tricky thing that we call life. So today we've got another guest who goes by the name of Lasbon Sanbono.
Siyaphila njani baba?
Sikhona. Ngicela umnumzane if possible azazise atshele ababukeli ukuthi yena ubani wakuphi.
Angibonga ithuba igama Lasbon ekuyilona engaziwa ngalo kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah. Undumiso wakaMduna.
Okay.
Original from KZN kwaSwayimani.
Okay.
Yeah,
KZN.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So when did you come through eGoli usenini?
eGoli ngifike ngo 2006.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And then maybe let's dive a little bit into your business and speak a little bit about that. But before we go there, you had told me something about ukuthi ukhulele kuphi bekwenzakalani. You spoke about ukhulele taxi rank. I want to know a little bit more about that. Ukuthi, what do you mean muthi ukhulele taxi rank?
Mangisuka eNatal ngiza ngapha.
Okay.
Bengisuka ecollege. Bengiza ngapha ngizofuna umsebenzi engufundele ecollege.
Okay.
Mangifika ngathola umsebenzi erank. Umsebenzi lo engifuna ungatholakala.
Yes.
Nga-end up ngu-queue marshal eranking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You has that title, you queue marshal. In a profile yayo nje. What would you tell us about ukuthi umuntu abe uqueue marshal umsebenzi onjani nje lo?
Akusu umsebenzi omnandi.
Okay.
Ngoba kufanele uthethiswe o-drive uphinde uthethiswe abagibeli.
Okay.
Yeah, so umsebenzi wakho kuhlanganisa labantu
bethu. Yeah.
So umsebenzi ongekho mnandi ufuna insizwe ethe ukuba strong.
I'm sure manje vele you are a strong man vele. Basically looking back on those days as a queue marshal.
Yeah.
But now what would you say are some of the hardest things that you have to deal with, especially ngalo msebenzi lo queue marshal on a daily?
Lapha ya erank khona lonke uhlobo lomuntu. Khona abantu abadala abancane nangokuhlonipha kwakhona futhi akufani.
Okay.
Irank ukuze ihlonipheke isezandleni zakho njengoqueue marshal.
Okay.
Kunabantu abafika erank bame bangagibeli. Kufanele uunderstandise labo bantu ukuthi erank siyagibela akukhona epark.
Yeah.
And i-approach izo-counter ukuthi lo muntu uzokuphendula kanjani.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
And then kunabantwana abazofika bafuna ukujola phambi kwabantu abadala khona la eranking.
Okay, yeah, khona
umsebenzi wakho futhi ukuyilungisa yonke leyo nto. So kunzima engakho ngithi kufuneka indoda eyazi indaba zayo ngoba uzom-approacha kahle umuntu akuphendule ngendlela yakhe.
Ngendlela afuna ngayo.
Awuyena ubaba wami ngeke ungitshothe eranking ngenzeni.
Okay.
Yabona?
Okay.
So
manje asikhulumeke in that perspective yokuthi iyiphi eminye imisebenzi, because uma ngabe kuyimi ngazi nje ukuthi kuno taxi rank, kuno taxi driver, kuno queue marshal. These are the two people that you see a lot mostly moya taxi rank.
Yeah.
What other jobs are there esingaziboni thina khona erank?
Kunabantu abagada umsebenzi ayincathi nabo niyababona because bayafika erank laba bahamba ngeemonto ze-squad.
Okay, these are my associations.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Bayafika erank but isikhathi esiningi bona basestradini la bagade khona. Naserank bayafika. Kune-office lama-taxi.
Okay.
Nakhona kunabaphathi nabo bayavakasha erank bazobheka ukuthi.
Okay. Bayalalela ikhalo zabantu kodwa.
Kakhulu bayilalela mangabe uzoya kubona eofficeini ngoba i-association ne-office layo. So mawufuna ukuzwakala ngcono uye straight kubone eofficeini.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's powerful. maybe before singena kule ndaba uhambo lwakho in the business space, bengifuna ukuthola i-perspective yakho ngalempi ekhona between these Bolt drivers na bashayeli bamateksi. What's your perspective about that conflict?
Le ndaba le inzimanyana. Okay. Mangisuke kube no-commercial nguye ngaba u-driver. Ila ngispende khona isikhathi eside ke. Le commercial period ayibanga yinde kakhulu. Ngoba from lapho ngenze nje i-license and then ngathola i-taxi ngase ngiyashayela.
Oh, what drive? Okay.
Yes. So ekudriving kwami makuyisikhathi ngaphuma erenkeni ngathenga imoto ye Uber.
Hayibo, okay.
So manje le ndaba oyibuzayo ingifaka ubona bobabili labantu o-driver nalaba bama Uber.
And it makes me feel ukuthi you're the right person to ask because ubuya from one side and actually you've got both perspectives of this issue.
And ngisaphila nabo bowu-2 bonke labantu since manje sengenza i-driving school bowu-2 bayangidinga.
Okay.
So kusase umhlaba engiphila kuwona namanje. Yabona.
Yeah.
So inzima lento eyenzakalayo phakathi kwalabantu bowu-2. Angazi ukuthi bingalungiseka kanjani.
Yeah. No, because the way the reason yami yokuthi ngibuze manje ngibona ngathi manje sesiye kwamanye amazinga manje. We're going to new levels. We are doing new things manje because in the past you just hear Bolt driver eating Tatelis Kia. You just hear Bolt driver saying ukuthi abangivumelanga ukuthi ngehlise umuntu kuphi kube nalawo ma issue. But manje uthola ukuthi umuntu usekeshele emotweni, umuntu usekeshonile, yabona into ezinjalo. Kusuke kwenzakalani nje asikhulume ngohlangothi labo driver. Maybe sikhulume ngeperspective yabo on this matter because mhlambe kunento esingayizwisisi thina as a country ukuthi umuntu oyi-taxi driver make bheka umuntu oyi-Bolt kusuke kwenzakalani nje in that space.
Ngokujwayelekile bathi badlelwa umsebenzi. Kodwa mangibheka incindezi kumuntu o-driver. U-owner ufuna imali ku-driver. Ukuthi uyikhande kanjani akangeni lapho. Mayichayisa u-owner ufuna imali. So u-driver mayefika nemali eshodayo uyabona ukuthi no le mali siyashoda isafana nasekuqaleni bengikwazi ukuyenza le mali. Yini eyenza ukuthi lo msebenzi ungihlule ngingasakwazi ukuyenza le mali. Mayebheka la akasebenza khona uyabona ukuthi since kwaphithizela uBolt noUber ngala engisebenzela ngakhona umsebenzi usumncane. So into yokuqala akazoyilwisa uBolt yabona ukuze kwazi yena ukuthi enze le mali. Kodwa mawusuyibhekisisa futhi angicabanga ukuthi iBolt ihlukumeza kakhulu umshayeli ukuthi ahluleke ukwenza imali. Abantu baningi. I mean bheka iBolt
every day izothatha umuntu oyi-1 usually. Ngiyoyigibela ngiyi-1. I-taxi igcwalisa abantu abawu-15.
Yabo
16 angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe nge-wrong lapho. So that's always been my dilemma. For me iyethusa kancane. Kodwa umunye umbuzo wami ukuthi ngombono wakho I have my own perspectives but ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngombono wakho yini ezenza ukuthi umuntu ahambe ayogibela iBolt rather than iTaxi?
iBolt ilula kakhulu ngoba ingithatha egate. Mina kwami kusuka kwami ngiya erenkeni it takes about 15 minutes.
Okay.
But mangibiza iBolt ngithatha egate. Ingihambisela ngiyakhona iphinde ingishiye egate. Noma ngaba ngazi la ngiyakhona but mangifaka iaddress izongithatha ingibeke khona lapho. Yabona so ngokwesikhathi iBolt yenzela kube lula kakhulu mina yabona. Kunokuthi ngiyoma etaxini ngilinde igcwale ngisazophinde ngehle ngigibele enye ngoba le eKaslama ifika endaweni yokuthi yabona. So for mina iBolt ilula kakhulu. Iyona yenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bakhethe ukusebenzisa yona. But nasetaxini abantu ngeke baze baphele.
No, I mean asibheka ama stats because according to census last time I checked there were around 15 million people just eGauteng phela. Gauteng phela only around has up to 15 million people that are staying in this place. So nanoma sesithini, I mean, is there really that high of a competition compared to taxi ne Bolt? Mhlambe, are there other issues aside from indaba ye-convenience enza ukuthi abantu mangasawasebenzisa ama-taxi bahambe bayosebenzisa ama-Bolt?
Okunye mhlambe kodwa angithandi ukuyikhuluma ngijule kuyona lento ngoba okay njoba ngisho ukuthi labantu boyithuka kumina abayifamily namanje ngoba izikhona imonto ezenza iBolt ezami yabona umfowethu yena ukhona emateksini yabona so angithandi kuba ngathi manje fanele kube khona iside engikhuluma kabi noma engithathayo but benginento ethi mhlambe makuthiwa kuhlalwa phansi kuyakhulunyiswana ngalento njengoba ukhuluma ngendaba ukuthi iBolt ilayisha umuntu oyi-1 mhlambe kulungiswe lapho endabeni yenamba ngoba abama-taxi bakhala kakhulu ngokuthi i7 City ilayisha abantu abawu7 kanjalo isibadlela umsebenzi abantu abaningi kangaka ku7 seater yabona so mhlambe mangingakhulunywa ngokuthi ningalayishi la mawulayisha la sicela ulayishe 1 or 2 people that the maximum mhlambe lapha ibingeke izifike endabeni yokuthi kuyabulawana ngoba angicabanga ukuthi abantu bama-taxi bengakhalela umuntu oyedwa or ababili kodwa manje uyabona ukuthi lento yalolu dlame iqhamuke kakhulu ngokubona inamba yama-7 seater baneyitafu kakhulu khona emalokishini yabona
that's true
ahlale egcwele abhizi kakhulu yabona nabantu abafuna ukusuka la beyeThekwini beyekuphika they prefer yona i7 seater mhlambe mabe yi6 instead of hiring itaxi so mhlambe mabe ngalungisa endabeni yenamba kuhlalwe phansi kulungiswe lapho
kuzwa inkinga ke futhi ukuthi kuyaliwa man. Because nani ninodwa lapha emateksini ziyabuya lapha. Ziyabuya
kakhulu.
So manje inkinga yenye ke because manje musu kuzongenela uBolt naye sekefuna ukungena endabeni because if you look basically as aside from us just talking about inamba yabantu asikhulume nje eSoweto nje sikhulume ngokuthi nino Bolt kuno Uber nabo bonke laba abanye abakhona baningi basebengena manje abafana no Bolt no Uber. On top of that you've got iRea Vaya, you've got iMetrobus, so competition is becoming even heavier yabona but also enye into iconvenience ne-treatment yabona kwesikhathini esiningi. Most of the time mengigibele ama-taxi, you know, to be honest ngigibela yabona taxi from time to time, not as much as I used to, but there are days where like it's inkombe nje ngijike la ibara. You would find ukuthi there's a lot of issues with taxi. There's a lot of conflicts that arise nje unnecessarily. Sometimes the driver has nothing to do with it. It's just between us thina abahleli phakathi, and unfortunately aba driver bayingeni ngingaze nicabane nenze lento eniyenzayo ezongeza afikile la ekhona nizoyahlaniyele. But my feeling ukuthi i-environment ye-taxi inokuslimaza kakhulu as abagibeli mase compare namanye ama-transport forms. If bengathi singa-improve endabeni ye-service to abantu nanokuthi ama-driver wa-understand ukuthi i-responsibility yabo ayipheleli kuphela ekushayeleni, you must also make sure that that environment is conducive for everyone. Sometimes uthola ukuthi niyacabana nomunye umuntu udriver kangeni akusinda bayakhe iyozingenelelo omunye ohleli phakathi azama ukuthi mhlambe sicazulule yena hayi angingeni mina ngiyala ngiyakhona. So that's my one issue, but I feel ukuthi kusase into engalunga yabona if people can come together. But yeah, siyabonga. I think let's move on to uhambo lwakho lama business because I understand ukuthi you are an affluent businessman. I wanted to check ukuthi musu decide again because uyasho ukuthi I was once a Q Marshall taxi driver, got into Bolt. From there waya kuphi?
Mangiphume erenkeni ngingasebenza i-call center.
Okay.
Ngakhishwa umama obegibela kimi njalo mayechayisa emsebenzini. Begibela itaxi yami. So ubehlale ekhathazekile ukuthi awubelongi la erenka ngikuthandi mawula.
Okay.
Until athathe CV yami ngifake call center yena ubeka HR kuleyo call center. And then from kuleyo call center ke ila okay ngisebenze isikhashana esincane then kwatholakala imoto leye Bolt.
All right.
Then ngaphuma ke bekuyi taxifier ngaleso sikhathi.
All right.
Yeah mayisafika nje. Ngaphuma ke call center ngayoyisebenza as a taxifier driver.
Okay.
Yeah. And then lapho kwi taxifier mangise busy nayo like vele khona driving school kanjani ama client mayengabe gibele ayakhuluma ayaxoxa bahlale bebuza ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza driver's license ngayenza kuphi ngifuna ukwenzela umntanami lenazi ngayenza kuphi yabona and then ngiba direct la ebengazikhona nami ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
But manje uthola mhlambe mawulandelela naloyo muntu ukuthi ugcine phi ngelicense uthola hey ngeke ngithola ama price ethu high.
Okay.
Ngisazobheka kwezinye indawo. So ngoba bekuyinto engihlale ngiyizwa kakhulu kuma client ngayicabanga ukuthi how about ngivule ngoba isidingo ngiyabona ukuthi sikhona.
Okay.
And abantu abaningi bakhala ngama price nami mase ngikhumbula mangiyenza ngakhipha imali eningi kakhulu and ibingekho imali ngaleso sikhathi. So ngabona ukuthi no angivuli driving school ngibona ukuthi izongithatha ngibeke iphi and then ngibe nama price are reasonable.
Okay.
Iqhamuke kanjalo ngayivula ngayo le mangiqeda ukuyiregister ngasebenzisa yona le monto ebengisebenza ngayo ku Bolt.
Okay ngalika driving school so le moto le
ibisiyenza uBolt ibuye ifundise ngabe driving school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh that's nice. And then wagcina usu transition over full time to driving school or usenza both?
Ngicine ngiphelela ku driving school full time.
Okay.
Ngoba ibisi demand isikhathi.
Okay bisifuna isikhathi.
Mangiqala obviously bengaqashanga umuntu so yonke into ibibheke mina.
Okay.
Office work ibheke mina ukufundisa abantu kubheke mina. So ngadecide ukuthi iBolt ngizoyimisa.
Okay ungene ngalo.
Focus ekukhuliseni iDriving school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Singakayi kude I want to find out ukuthi because sikhulume ngokuthi ube i taxi driver ngifuna ukukhuluma nje in the perspective yokuthi lo msebenzi wokudrive itaxi bo umsebenzi onjani kuwe as compared to le misebenzi enye buyenza sizozana ku Bolt kodwa mhlambe kwamanje let's talk about the life in a day of a taxi driver.
Akwengiqale ngokuhle kuyona.
Okay.
Ngifunde ukwazi ukuphila nabantu abahlukahlukene. Thina eNatal sinawo amanye ama language sinesizulu kuphela.
Yeah.
So ukufika kuleyo environment enabantu abakhuluma wonke lama language akhona ngifike ngafunda ukuphila nalabo bantu ngingathatha ukuthi umuntu umuntu kumina okhuluma le language yami.
Yeah.
Yabona. And then into ngizothina enzima noma enjani mangabe userenkeni ufuna ungakhohlwa ukuthi wafika uthi uyadlula noma unga relax mawukuthi kusana la office ukuya khona.
Okay.
Ngoba irank uba comfortable kakhulu. Erenkeni uba comfortable.
Yeah.
Mawungenayo enye into oyicabangayo noma mawunayo kodwa uyivila uzogcina uphelele khona ngoba kumnandi.
Yeah.
Kumnandi singakhulumi ngokubi kuphela mawufike erenkeni la ekseni ku busy uqedile ngalawo malode rush usuhleli phansi mawuhlala phansi sekunomuntu osephekile la erank usuyadla usuphuza icoke usuyalala.
Umeli rush hour ntambama
ngo9 nje 9:10 usuyilalele usudlile ususuthi usudla ipapa ngo9
kabanga
yabona. So usuzophumula umqondo usurelaxile usulinde kushaya abo2 uqale futhi kube busy.
Okay.
And then ntambama uyachayisa uyendlini uyalala.
But manje ulahlekelwa ama-hour amaningi between 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2.
Yeah, ezinye indawo ziyasebenza nangaleso sikhathi but dependa nokuthi wena usebenza kanjani. Ayithi khona abathawuthayo khona bashaya from point A to point B. Yeah so
okay. All right. No ngomuntu ofuna ukungena khona lapho wena ubuya khona mhlawumbe kunomunye umuntu ohlele ekhaya thola ioffer seketshela ukuthi ndoda woza phela ithuba likhona la ungamtshela uthini kuye?
Mawufika erank ungashintshwa abantu bakhona ngoba uzofica abantu vele sebeyijwayele bona lempilo.
Okay.
Sebezokudirector ke ukuthi yenza kanje ngaleyo ndlela ugcina ulahlekelwa ubuwena. Mina ngibushintsha ngobumina mangise rank.
Yeah. Amajita se rank rough ndoda.
Too much.
Ba rough labantu. Kusho ukuthi nanoma the last time mina ngaba ne comfort yokugibela itaxi ephuma eJoburg eSoweto. Ngafika erank ngidla icool time yakhumula bekunaba cool time.
Yeah.
Ngibuza umunye ubaba lapha ngithi ligibela uphi itaxi eliya kuphi wathi ceda lento edlayo. Ngakhuluma nami ngathi wehle bathini esihlahleni. Yeah, ceda lento edlayo uzokhuluma nami uceda. Bheka le wakhubeka. Akavela kaphuma yimlo Reavaya ngahamba ngayogibela iReavaya. But I always feel ukuthi ngiyazibuza vele nami nokuthi nifika ninjalo lapha because ku rough lapha. I mean sometimes nanoma nikhuluma phela ngiclient ngizoletha imali la and manje kulamalanga these days I've got a lot of options. Mengafika ngathola ukuthi uba rough nami hayi angilwi nawe vele uyabona. Ngifika njalo vele lapha or yilento ishoyo ukuthi abantu balapha bayakushintsha.
Abaningi bashintsha khona.
Okay.
Kwesinye isikhathi ngeke ushintshe udriver. Uzoshintshwa ibona abagibeli.
Okay.
Ngoba nabo abagibeli banalento yokuthi umuntu odriver unekhanda eliqinile noma uyadelela. So vele uzoza kumina nje ngeapproach enjalo ukuthi vele lo muntu uyadelela. So naye umuntu mangabe ngiapproacha kanjalo nami sekufuna ngenze kanjani. So uzogcina ushintshwa ibona straight abagibeli ukuthi hawo mina ngiza ngenhlonipho nina nangizela ngale ndlela eningizela ngayo yabona. Ngapha kuphinde kubo driver ke nabo nabo bangakushintsha ngoba abanye bazofuna ukukufilisa ukuthi uyafika or umncane or wena udrivela umuntu onetaxi eyi1 or whatsoever the case may be. Nabo bengakushintsha kodwa nje mawuzazi ukuthi ubani
angeke uhlala njalo
uzoshintsheke.
Okay. So manje usuphumile ukuBolt manje yini ohlangane nayo lapha ongawukhuluma ngayo enhle ukuthi it's a little bit different from where you are coming from emateksini?
Enhle kuBolt ngathi ngalesi sikhathi usafika sase utaxify i peace of mind.
Okay.
Ukulayisha umuntu oyi1 kade ujwayele ukulayisha abantu abaningi. Yabo? Kune peace.
Okay.
Ulayisha umuntu oyi1 mhlambe naye akathandi kwakukhuluma uyicabangela izinto zakhe. So I trip nje quiet until ufika la eniyakhona. So ileyo nto engifike ngayithanda leyo peace leyo ukuthi I don't have to deal nabantu abaningi abahlukahlukene lapha ya kuBolt because bekupha nama option ukuthi ulayisha abantu abangaki.
Okay.
So mina ngafike ngathanda le option yokulayisha 1 or 2.
Okay.
Le abantu abaningi vele bese ngikhathele yona from so leyo peace engifike ngayi experience kuBolt.
Okay.
Nokuthi abanye mabexoxa abantu bazokucabangisa izinto eziningi ukuthi abantu badila nani la ngaphandle because uzothola umuntu ofuna ukuxoxa nomuntu and ukuxoxa nomuntu ongamazi kulula because ukhipha noma yini
ekudlayo.
So you will listen istory ehlukahlukene abantu bekuxoxela.
Okay.
You will find yourself sekungathi we cancel manje usucancel abantu lapho. But ke bekuyinto emnandi for mina leyo.
All right. And then yini engekho so positive about that experience?
Leyo singangeni kakhulu kuyo.
Ngifila ukuthi umuntu phela meke segcine ethi ngiya lapha mhlambe kumele ahambe nama picture ayi2 uyabona noma ungasitshontshela nje kancane ungangeni kakhulu ukuthi umuntu olapha meke ya lapha yini kumele ayicabange or yini oyifundile wena engathi inokuthi kancane.
Lapha yana akwengithi nje mangabe usune partner a straight to relationship straight wazi indaba zakho or umnumzane womuzi ushadile or ngithi ushadelwe ufuna wazi indaba zakho because mina experience yami engabona ukuthi yangichallenge ngapha kosisi kakhulukazi bayaqonda nje straight bakucele lento abayifunayo so mangabe ungazi indaba zakho kahle ungagcina umosha umshado wakho ngaleso simo ngoba bona banezindlela zokuthi bakhulume nawe ezingakwenza ukuthi ugcine mhlambe
usuyithola
usulingeka
and lento into enzakalayo kakhulu mhlambe ungathi inhloso yalokho kuyini ukuthi mhlambe abanamali yokukhokha or mhlambe vele baneyinhloso zokuthi bazitholela umuntu nabo or uganga nje ungathi yini nje ebenza ukuthi bayenze lento ebayenzayo
bakhona abahluphayo ngokuthi abafuna ukukhokha kodwa iningi labo banemali abantu abasebenzisa i-Bolt or Uber banemali so angazi noma ngizothi ukuganga noma umuntu uzobe efunela ipartner ngempela angazi angazi
and then siyabonga kulokho kusho ukuthi mangabe umuntu aya lapha vele I think it also that exists in many places the moment ungena ku business vele usuba ngathi umuntu independent ongakhona ukusiza umunye kuye kube nalawo ma temptations yabona unokulingeka vele because you are dealing with a lot of people and people are different so vele that's applicable in most situations kodwa ke safety wise ngizwa abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngokuthi safety kwenzakala lokho to the driver and also to the passenger angazi ubono lwakho kuloko
incane kakhulu i-safety lapha yana ifuna wena uzigade kakhulu incane kakhulu ngoba mayiqala lento yokuthi bagange ngo-driver beku-request abantu besilisa kanti endleleni bazokushintshela bakuthathela imali bakuthathela imoto maybe kwagcina kushintsha manje uya-requestwa umuntu owumama mhlawumbe uphethe umntwana mawufika lapho kanti usebenza nabo labantu abazokubamba or la uyodeliver khona la uzofika umshiye khona sebekumele vele already so ngalesikhathi ufika uzomehliswa umvuleli isicaba u-unlock imoto yakho uthaphume naba sebefikile sebeyak-attack and all that so ifuna wena and ayikho enye indlela ke unfortunately uBolt angakusiza ngayo lapho ifuna wena uzigade ukuthi upick up kuphi udropa kuphi and ma udropa fanele uhlale ula ngaso sonke isikhathi
uhlala uvula amehlo hayi siyabonga at least manje umuntu oyakhona uyazi ukuthi yini angayilindela kodwa kwemalini asikhulumeke ngemali ukuthi kuyaphileka yini lapha
kuyaphileka but kuyaphileka mawuye nje ngenhloso yokuthi uzosebenza uzoyitreata njenge bathini 9 to 5 mawuzoyitreata kanjalo kuyaphileka ngisho kanjalo noma ungazodalula ukuthi ungenza malini kodwa mawuye ngenhloso yokuthi ngo5 ngiyangena bese uyasikhethela isikhathi sokuchayisa ube ne target ukuthi nje ngelanga mina ngifuna ukwenza imali engaka every day kuyaphileka
no at least akufani umunye umuntu usekeze uncuma ke mangabe beke in between ikhona imali kodwa zikhona ezinye izinto ekumele umuntu ake sibheke meke yakhona asikhulume ke with your journey now so usuphumile ka Bolt ula ku driving school what has your experience been like mufika kuleya industry asikhulume nje kwamanje ngeindustry ya driving school ukuthi injani
mangifika e-driving school ngithi uNkulunkulu ungisizile wangiqalisa e-rank wangifaka naka Bolt ngoba labantu engidile nabo lapha ya abantu abafanayo nalabo abakhona la driving school so sengiza sengimazi umuntu ukuthi isikhathi esiningi iziphi izinto azokuhlupha ngazo uyabona so mangifika la kule industry ye driving school lezi zinto engizi-experience ka Bolt engixoxele ngazo zabantu besifazane zikhona nala ku driving school uyabona but into engiyibonile emnandi ama owners ayazwana
Okay.
Kakhulu.
All right.
Akufananga nase rank la kuhlale kunophilizisana khona kwama owner. Ngapha kuma driving school ngiyakwazi ukufonela elinye owner mangekho mina around. Makune client elidinga ukungibona maybe lidinga usizo oluthize elingeke lithole ku drive because u drive umsebenzi wakho ukuthi afundisa abantu lapha egroundini. So makukhona enye into eseceleni edingwe iclient ngiyakwazi ukufonela umunye owner we driving school or around.
Okay.
Bafu khona ngalapho yangikhona kune client lami eliso so ngicela ulenzise 1 2 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sinama WhatsApp group as ama owner ama driving schools phinde kube ne WhatsApp group ehlanganisa bonke o driver ama owner bonke lapho.
Okay.
So lapha ya ngathini bayazwana abantu bakhona into engifike ngayithola khona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And then injani nje I market in terms of I revenue imali ke ukuphileka kuyaphileka yini khona?
Kuyaphileka kodwa into ekufanele uyihambise phambili ukuze ukwazi ukuphila iservice.
Iservice. Okay. All right.
Iservice kakhulu ekufuna uyihambise phambili kubantu ukuze ibusiness yakho izokhula ngoba ikhula ngomuntu oyi-one.
Okay.
Mawungafika wena ungathola iservice right sengiyibulela ibusiness yami mina ngoba mawuya kwabanye abantu usuzofika ukuthi ayi ulasibona hayi.
Yeah.
Akasebenzi kahle so sengiyaluza already lapho ngeke isaba khona impilo yabo. But the more ngipha abantu iservice right the more bekwazi ukuthi ba refer abanye abantu.
Yeah. No, that's true. From the moment ungena kule industry to manje oluphi ushintsho osulubonile within the industry and then lo shintsho lo look affecta kanjani wena nje as an individual driving school owner?
Mangifika akwengikhulumele le association engikuyo mangifika angifuna ukuyibeka kabi ngithi bengena structure.
Okay.
Bengena committee egada umsebenzi noma la ekubekwa khona izikhalo abantu akuyibona abaphambili abasigadela umsebenzi ukuthi lokhu kwenzeke ngendlela eyiorder.
Okay.
So beziningi kakhulu inkinga ongazi ukuthi ungazi reporta kuphi. Kufanele udile nazo zinjalo wena. Uyabona?
Okay.
But manje njengamanje kune committee elikhona elikwazi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi uye kulona ukuthi cha la ngihlangabezana nalenkinga singayilungisa kanjani. So manje umsebenzi usuthathelwa phezulu yabona and lokho kwenza kube lula for wonke umuntu for ama client ngoba iclient mangabe liba nenkinga mhlambe ngo-driver wami lizoza kimi lithi lo driver kangiphathanga kahle mina ngizoya ku-driver ngisho lokho ngikushoyo kuphelele kanjalo. But manje sekuzoba ne-office whereby iclient izokwazi ukuthi iye straight e-office regardless ukuthi driving school ekabani. Uzoya straight e-office ukuthi ngi-experience into so and then ama leaders akhona lapho iwona azokwazi ukuthi athatha yipi i-action ezokwenza ukuthi lo muntu angayiphindi kwelinye iclient lento.
Oh, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Kusho ukuthi mangabe ukuthi utholakala umuntu ukuthi wenza izinto ezingekho endleleni mhlamba wenza izinto ezifunekayo treat abantu kabi bayakhona ukuthi bakuhlehlise or babe nendlela zakhona zokuthi mhlambe badile nawe ukuthi uzophatha abantu kahle. No, that's good. And then obviously isiZulu sakini sithi into emnandi yaphindwa. Manje mesiphinda wonke umuntu obona ukuthi bayayiphinda lento ufuna ukuya lapha. In terms of the competition yenu injani nje currently if umuntu efuna ukungena kuyo how difficult is it and i competition nje in terms of business kunjani nje?
Awengithi mina anga experience competition kangako. Ngani ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ama driving school emaningi kangaka umuntu uzokhetha akabona ukuthi uyayithanda ngaleso sikhathi ngoba yazi kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu afike enzile nasi kuwena mayese funa ukuqhubeka nama driving lessons eze kumina kuyenzeka ukuthi na sonke and into esijwayele engasikhathazi.
Okay.
Into engasikhathazi. I-competition yona ikhona kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi noma singayibiza nge-competition kulele kuwena ukuthi u-advertise kanjani ibhizinisi lakho and uliphatha kanjani.
Okay.
Uyabona? Uliphatha kanjani wena mangabe uphethe kahle abantu lizokhula nelo munye lizokhula futhi.
Yeah, that's true.
I-competition ayikho kangako kuma driving school.
Okay.
Umuntu ukhetha la akathanda khona. Yeah.
So manje mhlawumbe sengibuzela umuntu osekhaya uthi mina ngifuna ukwenza i-license okwamanje. Ngifuna ukuthi ngithola umuntu ozongisiza. Yini into ezoyenza ukuthi mina ngize kuwe specifically ngingayi kwenye indawo?
Mina mawungena lapha ya ku Google usearch nje ama driving school around. Uzongibona ngilapha phezulu.
Okay.
Mawuthi nje Lasbon Driving Academy.
Yeah.
Uzongibona ngilapha phezulu.
Okay.
Yinto ezokwenza ukuthi uze kimi ngoba uyabona lapha yana ama review ukuthi hamba kanjani abantu bayakhomenta lapha ya ngeservice abayitholile. So nawe vele umuntu mayeqale esearcha ubheka lokho ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi abantu asebeyile bafike bathola ini iservice enjani. Yeah, so mawubona lapha abantu bekhuluma kahle iyona into ezokusukumisa leyo uze kumina and then bese kuba indaba yama prize futhi.
Okay.
Yeah. Mina ama prize am from 2021 until today angawashintsha.
Still the same.
Still the same. Because understand indaba ukuthi in most cases umuntu ozofuna i-license umuntu ongenamali osafuna ukuyozama somewhere uyifunela lokho isikhathi kancane ukuthola umuntu othi hayi nginemali ngiyifunela i-license nje.
Just imposing,
yeah, umuntu usuke safuna ukuyozama ngayo. So loyo umuntu usuke ehlanganiselwa abazali imali or abafowabo or umuntu oyizamelayo ongaholi kahle.
Yeah.
So ukubakhuphulela for mina ngibona ngathi le yanhloso yokuyivula i-driving school ngizobe sengiyilahla because ngangivulela ukusiza abantu kakhulu.
No, that's true.
Yeah. So mase ngikhuphula ama prize kakhulu futhi lapha angisabasiza abantu.
No, siyabonga. Okwamanje ngisengikhulumela endabeni ethi ke sometimes uthola ukuthi umuntu ibusiness lakhe limile unabantu abaningi abaza kuyena kodwa uthola ukuthi usizo linokuthatha isikhathi ngoba ama structures we business awakabi khona mhlambe abantu abangasiza. For example mesifika su2 kumele sizingene one by one. Uyabona? La ukhona manje at one point in time how many people are you able to train?
Ngoba mina angibi sema groundini.
Okay.
Kuno driver benza loyo msebenzi.
All right.
Abantu baningi lapha emagroundini namalanga wafana ukuthi wena available nini ukuza but baningi abantu ngoba mawufika ufuna ufika ubambe queue.
Okay.
Noma ngakuthiwa i-driving school inama truck amangakanani. Abantu bahlale bebaningi kunezimoto.
Okay.
Yeah. So uzofika ubambe queue. Ayikho enye indlela.
Yeah, kodwa ngeke kufane nokumunye umuntu ocalayo ngoba mhlambe because when you've got a lot of trainers that are there queue yakho ngeke isafana naleya. Mina ndoda lesikhathi ngisenza i-license bengishiswa ilanga ndoda. Sihleli sikhwile lapha. Ngiyogibela mengiyogibela emotweni uthola ukuthi nalesikhathi engispendayo lapha le ndoda seyenza ukuthi nje ngibe ngisengenile ngiphumile.
Sebenza sincane isikhathi.
Yeah, but njengoba ususho ngiyathemba ukuthi mhlambe because you've got a lot of trainers into enjalo ayikho.
Mina nginawo amaningi kodwa lento bengisho ukuthi abantu bama driving school bayazwana.
Okay.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi abantu bami baningi i-truck i1.
Okay.
Wena usubaqedile abantu bakho i-truck imile. Ngiyakwazi ukucela ukuthi awungiphushele le 2.
Okay.
Ngizokuthengela iplate. Angithi nje i-example elula ngoba sisebenza sonke umfowethu yabona. Awungiphushele laba ngoba lo angathi ujahile ufuna ukuya emsebenzini kodwa ufuna ukuhamba ese trainee. Yeah, so ingakho ngithi lapha ya kule association yama driving school kuyazwana ngoba siyakwazi ukusizana ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Umuntu akwazi ukuthi akuphushele abantu bakho labo ocela ukuthi akuphushele bona fast.
Hayi siyabonga at least nami sengiyayibamba manje ukuthi ngingayo ukuthi niyasebenzisana futhi kusevela nama costs because sometimes uthola ukuthi ibusiness libuye phansi uthola ukuthi isuthe ngama truck amaningi manje sewamile.
Uyayibona
manje useneyikweleti so it makes sense.
And ukungena nje kancane lapho enye into esiza ngalokuzwana kuyenzeka ukuthi uthole iclient elikude ukuthi lingakhona ukufika la engikhona uyayithanda iservice ngoba usezwile ngabanye but ukude kakhulu uzospenda a lot of money traveling eza la kimi. Ngiyakwazi ukufonela i-driving school engalapho ngithi mfowethu une client ngalapho lifuna ama lesson ayi-10 ngizokupha imali yakhona yamalesini ngicela ungiphushele lona.
Alright.
Yabona so kwenza ukuthi ibhizinisi iyaqhubeka ilunga kanjalo. Mina loyo muntu ngizombona ngelanga le test mayeza ngapha ngakumina.
Yazi ngiyathanda lento oyishoyo because it really just gives us evidence to the fact that industry le yama driving schools ayifani nale industry yama taxi. Ngangokuthi niyasebenzisana and lokho kuyenza ukuthi thina as abantu abafuna usizo sikhona ukusizakala kancane uyabona. Ngibuyele kancane emuva njengoba sukhuluma ngokusebenzisana kwama taxi bathini driving school owners asiye ku Bolt. Ku Bolt, do you know of any group, any association that people have formed because of the challenges abahlangana nazo or mhlambe ikhona into enjalo ukuwayibona?
Ngwengezwa ukuthi banama WhatsApp group and lapho ngathi kunama leaders akhona but ke akunayo information ephelele ngoba izinto abazifome thina sekukudala sikhona kwi-industry yeBolt thina asikaze sikwenze lokho ngesikhathi sethu. Omunye nomunye ubeziphilela ezibonela ukuthi uphuma kanjani but laba bakhona njengamanje ngathi sebe nawo lawo ma group nalawo ma leaders la. Sesikhulumile mfowethu bengifuna nje ukubuza nje ukuthi sesivala because the big topic for today bekuyile ndaba yama Bolt drivers versus taxi drivers and also indaba ye driving school. Asivaleke ngala ku Bolt drivers ne taxi drivers. Ungichazisele nje ukuthi ubona ngathi lento le impilo yabo iyophelelaphi nanokuthi ilunge mele benze njani uyabona. Because manje sesiyabona ukuthi ngathi kuba worse iyohamba iphelelepi na imaponya sivaliwe manje yavalwa a day or two from what I read ngoba umphakathi busu strong manje uba force ukuthi indoda kazululani lenkinga ngoba ngathi it's getting worse. Ubona ngathi izophelelaphi yonke lento? Okwamanje kusasenzima ukusho ngoba kubona bowuthula abantu akekho ofuna ukwehlisa umoya. Lesenze senzakalile siphakamise umoya kakhulu kumphakathi and indaba mayisingena umphakathi sinzima kakhulu. Lento yokuthi kushisa umfowethu lo we Uber into ebhlungu kakhulu. Laba abasebenza naye umfowethu nomphakathi wonke akubaphathanga kahle lokho. Uyabona ngapha naba ama-taxi bathi ngeke sizwe ngalaba so manje ngokubuka kwami sasenzima until ama leader from both sides engene ayilungise wona njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi at least mangahlalwa phansi kulungisa ukuthi nina bama-taxi kuphi la nikhala khona kakhulu enibona ukuthi laba badla umsebenzi bese kulungiswa kuleyo part ukuthi nina ngoba seninama 7 seat amaningi musana ukulayisha 7 ngoba ngizwe kakhulu amanye ama-owner ngoba akhona engisa communicate nawo namanje ekhala ngayo kakhulu leyo nto yama 7 seat mhlawumbe mangingalungiseka lapho ngicabanga ukuthi ingashesha ilunge uyabona.
Ngibona ngathi nabanikazi bendawo lama mall banokuhlehlela emuva kakhulu ngoba uthola ukuthi it's one group esishaya umthetho emall uyabona sebesho ukuthi wena kumele ugcine la kumele ungagcine kodwa nabo angithi meyakho imall bebeshiyelwa indawo kwathiwa hayi nina senizosebenzela la na irank yenu senzo nalaba ke angiboni ukuthi mhlawumbe ngemithetho yasemall bayavimbeka ukuthi bangene bazoyenzela into abayenzayo ngoba kudala besinama maxi taxi nawo bewathola nje emall nokugibela imaxi uye la uyakhona so ngibona ngathi even the owners that are managing that space need to come in to say ukuthi kahle kahle la ekhaya sisebenza kanjani uyabona ngibona ngathi bayahlehlela emuva kakhulu and manje siyaba affect manje because imolo mesivalwa kusho ukuthi mele kube yiba abangenelelayo bayocazula so ngibona ngathi bona yibi center but most of all also ama leaders wethu that are leading a country in terms of saying ukuthi as you know Department of Transportation you can see ukuthi we've got these issues that are arising amongst people. What are you guys doing to try and come in between them to try and resonate and regulate and control that space ukuthi singadine sesilimaza mina thina one thing uzothi ngigibela iBolt ukugena ibullet lapha uyabona one thing uzothi
kwenzekile
uyabona
sekwenzekile already
uyabona sekusho ukuthi manje le bullet liphume ngala libuyele ngale etaxini manje ngoba ngibone kwenye i video lapha ku TikTok sekushiswa ama taxi lapha uyayibona so yeah ingithuse kodwa mhlambe siyabonga asiqhubekele kule section yakho yebusiness ukuthi mhlambe yini ozimisela ukuyenza in the next maybe 5 years in terms of your business uzimisele nje from now on going forward.
Njengamanje iproject engi busy ngayo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi noma use Cape Town sikwenzise ama class learners.
Okay.
Noma ngabe kuphi nendawo mawufuna uncedo ngama class learners sikwazi ukuthi siyenze khona la efonini ngaphandle kokuthi ngikuthumelele something yeah sibe nama online classes.
Okay.
Yeah iye ngiphezulu kwayo njengamanje and then nokuthi sikwazi uku-accommodate abantu abane disability.
Okay.
Because kuyami driving school njengamanje anginayo into eba accommodateayo kakhulukazi ngoba badinga indawo right for bona. So enye iproject engifisa ukuthi iphumelele bakwazi ukuthi basizakale nabo. Yeah and then i-driving school le ingizalele esinye isikole.
Okay.
Security.
Okay, security. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So bayatraina bayafunda abantu lapha.
Bayafunda bahlala phansi nje bafunde babe seclassini.
Hayi siyabonga.
And then bathole i-certificate zabo ze security.
Oh that's nice. Hayi siyabonga. Mhlambe sisazongena kuyo mhlambe next time the security because enye engine experience nayo kakhulu.
Okay.
I spent close to 10 years in the security industry.
Okay.
So I've got very deep experience with it but I'm mhlambe so sikhulume at another point in time kodwa hayi mnumzana siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uze wakhona ukufika uzosichazela nje usindlalele phansi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ku-industry nanokuthi wena ungena kanjani mhlambe komuntu ofuna ukukuthola ongayazi i-Lastborn Driving Academy is that what it's called? Yeah angakuthola kuphi nanokuthi usebenzela kuphi kwamanje and what are your contact details ungakhuluma nje necamera yakho lapho.
Angibonge futhi ithuba i-Lastborn Driving Academy i-based e-Albertine.
Okay.
Wonke lawo masayidi nje ase-Albertine bathi Katoras masihlanganisa lama lokishi wonke akhona lapho ngitholakala khona kakhulu isikhathi esiningi ngisuke ngikhona e-Albertine license department ngoba kunabanye abathanda ukubona lo Lastborn exactly before angenza any payment or whatsoever. Yeah.
Okay.
So ngitholakala khona lapho isikhathi esiningi and then ku Facebook i-Lastborn Driving Academy.
Okay.
Azovela abe-2 lapha ku Facebook. Kunese Durban kunela.
Okay.
Lese Durban i-Lastborn Driving School.
Okay.
And then kube ne-Lastborn Driving Academy engala eGauteng.
Okay.
Yeah. And then hayi ku-TikTok asikho.
Okay.
Sitholakala nje ku-Facebook and then kunama WhatsApp number 072 5769 iwona sitholakala kuwona la.
Aye, siyabonga. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us from the beginning of this session till where we are now. I feel that being informed, being aware, really gives you an advantage today, because there's a lot of things happening in our space. Even if you're not in the business space, there's a lot of things that would then affect you. So it really helps to know what's going on in and outside of the business space. So today we've learned a lot in terms of what's been happening in the taxi industry, in terms of what's happening in the, I don't know what industry we call this one, but the Bolt, the Ubers, and the electronic service providers in that space. We've also learned a lot as well from a business perspective in terms of the fact that we now know that it's possible. You can have your own business today and run it and grow it. The market is ready, the market is ripe. And thank you so much for being with us from the beginning. If you want to get in touch with us, please don't hesitate to contact us on the information shared on the screen below. And we really appreciate the likes, the shares, and the support from me, Mraro. Cheers for now.